Welcome to our channel Storm Rider. When you talk about the 2026 Boeing 777X, you're really talking about Boeing's vision of how long-haul aviation should evolve without losing what already works. This aircraft is the next step in the legendary 777 family, which has been one of the most successful wide-body programs in aviation history. The goal with the 777X was not to start from zero, but to take a trusted platform and push it to the limits using modern materials, smarter aerodynamics, and next-generation systems. The result is an airplane that feels both familiar and cutting-edge at the same time. One of the most important changes, and arguably the heart of the 777X, is its wing design. The new wing is made almost entirely of carbon fiber reinforced polymer, making it lighter and stronger than traditional aluminum wings. This allows Boeing to design a much longer and thinner wing with a higher aspect ratio, which dramatically improves aerodynamic efficiency. In simple terms, the wing produces more lift with less drag. The wingspan in flight is enormous, longer than any previous Boeing commercial aircraft, and this directly contributes to better fuel burn and longer range. However, such a large wingspan would normally cause problems at airports, so Boeing introduced folding wingtips. On the ground, the tips fold upward to reduce the wingspan and allow the aircraft to use existing airport gates. Once the plane lines up for takeoff, the wingtips automatically extend and lock into place. This feature is not just visually impressive, it's a practical solution that saves airlines from expensive airport infrastructure changes. The engines on the 777X are another major leap forward. The GE9X engines are the largest jet engines ever to enter commercial service, with fan diameters wider than the cabin of a Boeing 737. These engines are designed to deliver immense thrust while remaining significantly more efficient than previous generations. They use advanced materials such as ceramic matrix composites in the hottest sections of the engine, allowing them to operate at higher temperatures and pressures without increasing weight. Higher temperatures mean better efficiency, and better efficiency means lower fuel consumption. For airlines, this translates into lower operating costs, and for passengers and communities near airports, it means quieter operations. Despite their size and power, the GE9X engines are noticeably quieter during takeoff and landing compared to older engines. In terms of performance, the 777X is built for the longest and most demanding routes in the world. It offers an extended range that allows airlines to connect distant city pairs non-stop, reducing travel time and increasing convenience for passengers. Routes that once required a stop can now be flown directly, which is a big advantage in today's competitive airline market. The aircraft is also optimized for high payload capability, meaning it can carry a full load of passengers, luggage, and cargo without sacrificing range. This balance between range and payload is one of the reasons the 777 family has always been popular, and the 777X takes this strength even further. Inside the cabin, Boeing has clearly focused on passenger comfort and airline flexibility. The fuselage allows for a wider cabin compared to many competing aircraft, giving airlines more options for seating layouts. Even in high-density configurations, the cabin feels less cramped thanks to improved sidewall sculpting and higher ceilings. Overhead bins are redesigned to be larger and more efficient, allowing more carry-on bags to fit without taking up aisle space. This helps speed up boarding and deplaning, something frequent travelers truly appreciate. Lighting plays a bigger role in the 777X cabin experience than many people realize. The aircraft uses advanced LED lighting systems that can smoothly transition through different colors and intensities. Airlines can program these lights to match different phases of the flight, such as boarding, meal service, and sleep time. On long-haul flights, this helps passengers adjust their body clocks and arrive feeling less exhausted. Combined with improved cabin pressurization and humidity systems, the overall environment is more comfortable, reducing dry air and fatigue during flights that can last well over 10 hours. From the cockpit perspective, the 777X represents a significant modernization. The flight deck is inspired by the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, featuring large, high-resolution displays and a clean, intuitive layout. Pilots benefit from enhanced situational awareness, with real-time data presented in a clearer and more accessible way. The introduction of fly-by-wire control systems to the 777 family allows for more precise control and smoother handling. These systems also provide built-in protections that help prevent the aircraft from being pushed beyond safe operating limits. At the same time, Boeing has maintained design commonality with earlier 777 models, making pilot training and transitions more efficient for airlines. Another strong selling point of the 777X is its operational efficiency. Compared to older wide-body aircraft, it promises a significant reduction in fuel burn per seat. This is achieved through a combination of advanced aerodynamics, lighter materials, and more efficient engines. In an industry where fuel costs represent a major portion of operating expenses, even small improvements can lead to massive savings over the life of an aircraft. The 777X's efficiency also supports airlines' sustainability goals by reducing carbon emissions per passenger, an increasingly important factor in modern aviation. Cargo capability is an area where the 777X truly shines. Even when configured primarily for passengers, the aircraft offers substantial belly cargo space. This allows airlines to generate additional revenue by transporting freight alongside passengers. Given the continued growth of global trade and e-commerce, this dual-role capability makes the 777X especially attractive. Airlines can maximize profitability on long-haul routes by combining passenger demand with cargo transport, all in a single flight. From a design and branding standpoint, the 777X maintains the recognizable Boeing look while subtly signaling a new generation. The smooth fuselage lines, distinctive nose shape, and massive wings give the aircraft a powerful yet elegant appearance. It doesn't try to look overly futuristic, which helps it age gracefully and maintain broad appeal among airlines and passengers alike. Ultimately, the 2026 Boeing 777X is about smart evolution. It takes the strengths that made the original 777 a global success: range, reliability, capacity, and comfort, and enhances them with modern technology and efficiency improvements. It's designed to serve airlines for decades, adapting to changing market demands while offering passengers a quieter, more comfortable, and more direct way to travel the world. For aviation enthusiasts, it represents one of the most impressive examples of how incremental innovation, done correctly, can redefine what a modern long-haul aircraft should be.